If you trade over 10 lots on a standard trading account or 20 lots on our raw account, FP Markets will cover your monthly subscription fee with our dedicated Forex VPS provider. If you're just getting started, we can sponsor a VPS plan for you if you make a minimum deposit of $1,000 or equivalent. We will continue sponsoring the VPS if you meet the required volume per month. Here's how to download and install your VPS. Open the email you received from our VPS provider to view your VPS logon credentials. Find the file attached to the email and save this file to your local computer. Double-click this file to open it. When prompted, enter your VPS logon username and password and connect. You will notice that MT4 platform is pre-installed along with our advanced trading tools. You can also access your FP Markets portal by clicking on Client Area shortcut. Log into your FP Markets VPS web portal using the same login details in order to view VPS information, change your VPS password, request an upgrade, or cancel the VPS. You can find further instructions in the VPS welcome email. To exit the VPS, minimize the window or click on the X at the top of the screen. To request your complimentary VPS, connect with our 24/7 support team by emailing support@fbmarkets.com or visiting us via live chat.